kita sekeluarga juga berkah dalam mencari pekerjaan.
Been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
Jadi pas beliau badai dari Jakarta, di Komen biasanya berangkat jam 18, tetapi jam 6 sore. Mangke dugi Allahumma ahsin aqibatana fil umuri kulliha wa ajirna min khizyi dunya wa adzabil akhirah. Allahumma inna nas'aluka al-huda, Allahumma inna nas'aluka al-huda wal tuqa wal afafa wal ghina ya sami'ud du'a. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Time to when things were easier, before it got all complicated. Oh, just give me the strength to move on, cause I don't really wanna move on. I gotta do what's best for me. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
Dari yang pertama untuk Sahaalah Ke Safar juga semakin sukses, semakin maju dan terus berkembang melayani penumpang dengan armada-armada dan pelayanan yang terbaik, dan tentunya tetap laksanakan. Selamat.
It's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape, can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on, I don't wanna feel the same. So love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face. Why did I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let me go, cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong, now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain.